Here's how to buy XRP or Ripple super easy in 2025. First, you want to click on the first link in the description, or you could head over to uphold.com yourself. Now, they also have an app, so if you're watching this on the cell phone, you can follow along as long as you download their app. It's called Uphold. Now, I do want to make it clear before we start that I don't have any sponsorship by Uphold or anything like that. That's just my platform of preference for buying crypto. Now, once you're over here, you want to go ahead and click where it says Get Started. I'm assuming that you don't have an account, and that's why you're watching this video. So once you click Get Started, we're going to create a free account. And again, they do have an app for Android and iOS, so you could also follow along on the phone. But if you're on the computer, click where it says create a free Apple Wallet account. That is going to redirect you over here, where you're going to add the info to create your account. Now, of course, feel free at any moment of this video to pause the video and read through the terms and conditions of Uphold. Don't sign up for something you don't want to sign up. Now, this is completely free to do. Now, after you put your phone number, you're going to have to agree to the terms and conditions. Again, read through it before you click on it. I already did it, so I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. After that, you're going to get a one-time code sent to your phone number, which you're going to have to input in here to verify that that is your phone. Now, just go through the sign up process. They're going to send you an email to verify your email. Make sure you use an email that you have access to. I'm going to verify it on my phone. Now, after you guys finish verifying your account, you'll be here inside the dashboard of Uphold. Now, usually right here on the dashboard, you will see XRP already here, like Ripple. You will see it in here and you could click in there, or you could also head over to market down here on the left and then search for XRP right here. You could just type XRP and you will see Ripple. And now you could click on it and you could click buy right here. After you click buy, you're gonna select how much money you want to put into Ripple over here. You could also trade other sources. Let's say that you have Bitcoin, and if you guys use the link that I left you down below in the description, you'll get $20 once you deposit at least $100 inside Uphold. So you'll get $20 worth of Bitcoin that you could trade for your XRP plus whatever cash you deposited into the Uphold wallet. Now, you guys could also buy a certain Ripple amount instead of using a cash amount. You could click on these arrows in here and you will be able to select how many Ripple you want to buy. Let's say that you want to buy 100. You could type the Ripple amount in here instead of using cash. Now, once you guys put in here how much Ripple you want to buy, how much XRP, you're gonna have to select the source. So if you're not using the Bitcoin that you got for free for using that link down there, you could use Google Pay, or you could add a card in here. So you could buy directly from your debit card or your Visa. So I went ahead and use a card in here, but you guys could go ahead and use Google Pay, or you could add the bank directly if you want to directly withdraw money from your bank and stuff like that. Or whenever you want to deposit money into your bank, you want to go into the direct deposit route, you could add a bank in here as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my card for this video. And once you're set on how much Ripple you want to buy, just go ahead and press where it says preview deposit, and now you could check the detail of your transaction in here. There's going to be a deposit fee if you're using a card, which I'm fine with, but I believe you won't have a deposit fee if you're directly trading from some already existing crypto. So again, if you use that link down below to create your account, you could trade that Bitcoin without any fees for your Ripple. Now, once you read your transaction details in here, you could actually turn this into a weekly investment, which I'm not going to do. It's going to tell you the settlement timing here, and since I'm putting such a low amount, it says instant. And once you're set, just go ahead and press where it says confirm deposit. If you get this prompt in here, read through it. This is important so you prevent some scamming and stuff like that. I already know what it is, so I'm gonna press continue one more time, and now let's just wait. And there you have it, guys. It was instantly. Now I have 20 Ripple in my account, which I really don't know what I'm gonna do with. And that is how to buy Ripple super quick, super easy in 2025. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.